Alright everybody, Tattoo Squirrel here. Let's do an unboxing today. So, this box here has no markings on it besides the person that sent it. One of the things that you want and or need is a good off-road, is a good off-road air compressor. So, I have had the luxury of teaming up with EZFLATE. That's right. I have teamed up with EZFLATE. So, let's see what EZFLATE has sent. I know what it is, but I'm going to show you guys. And I'm sure there's other unboxing videos out there, but this one's kind of special because I'm going to show you some different places, in my opinion, that I would like to put it and utilize it with my Armadillo Designs square back hardtop. So, let's go ahead, cut this box open, and see what we got. So, in normal EZFLATE fashion, you get your order list. So we got the EZFLATE wheel easy, play hard. Yeah, that's right. Wheel easy, play hard. That's valve caps, black ones, got some orange black, and little duckies, some little duckies. So, looks like what we got here. Welcome to the fam. You know, nice little card from EZFLATE. So what we're working with here is the HyperFlex 4-tire inflation kit. What that comes with is your digital gauge, your 4-tire hose kit, in this nice little carry bag, which we'll do some other things with that later on. HyperFlex. Ah, look, more ducks. Ducks everywhere. What the duck? And the main attraction here is gonna be the Moab EZFLATE. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what we got in here. The Moab EZFLATE compressor comes in a nice little carrying case. Got some hose, and of course the compressor itself. For those of you who know already, EZFLATE is what Fabian runs with the Armadillo Designs slant back. And there's several other people out there that have them as well. Chris Fields Day on Instagram. There's Reptar. She runs one. There's several people that run the Moab. So let's go ahead and I'll lay this stuff out. I'll get a nice picture. I want to do it on not my dirty floor. So hang in there. We'll be right back. Alright, so one of the things that they do is they send you some swag along with the shirt. 2 pairs of what they call shields. That's these things that I'm wearing right now, the chrome ones. Thought the chrome ones would look a little better. Of course, I would like a blue set of lenses, but hey, you beggars can't be choosers. So you got a nice setup here. There is going to be a different video because I like to be a little different when it comes to stuff like this. I like to revamp some things, but I'll show you that in a later video. So right now, this is I've got it laid out here. This is the EZFLATE Hyperflex and the Moab Auto Air. So this will be a good pairing for off-road adventures and a lot of other stuff that we'll be doing in 2025. Stay tuned. If you want one of these kits or anything you see here, you can go to EZFLATE.com, and when you go to your checkout, don't forget to utilize code SQRL, squirrel. So they'll hook you up with a discount and you'll be good to go. So stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to YouTube videos and on Instagram. Until next time, check you later.